This is your boy Slick back with another video. Oh, I need brakes, but just a little video, POV again, you know, just doing some pulls. I know everybody like the downshifting videos and stuff like that, so, and everybody liked the last video, so there's another one. So y'all stay tuned for the video and let's get this pull. That was nuts. That was fucking nuts. Actually. God damn, that was crazy. Let me let the windows up. Oh shit. Y'all look inside the car. Y'all like videos like this? Fuck! That shit is crazy. This car is stock, bro. Like, this is a stock car. And it's this goddamn fast. Like, for this being a stock car, bro, this shit is so goddamn fast, bro. Like, I don't know. Just like, I know the automatic is fast as hell, but just having a stick shift and you controlling your car, bro, is a different ball game, bro. And this is coming from this from somebody that's had 2 Camaros that was automatic, you feel me? So y'all out there, if you want to get a fast car like this, ZL1 or a Cat or something, get that motherfucker in a stick shift, boy, cause I'm telling you, boy. I'm about to turn around though. Actually, I could do this long thing. Roll. Man, shit is so fun though. Oh, another Camaro. Yes, sir. Gotta put the phone up. God damn. Where's the fucking flash one? No lift shift. I'm loading. No lift shifting right here. God damn, this car is fucking fast than a bitch. This car is fast as shit. Bro, this car is so goddamn fast, bro. That's what? Let me get down this hill real quick. That was no lift shift. All shifts right there was no lift shift. I'm getting good at that no lift shift. That no, call me no lift shift God. Holy shit. No lift shift God, boy. We doing pulls all day. Another one. For a stock car, this shit loud as fuck. Good ass day. ZL1 with no AC. Like, bro, them pulls is crazy that like I'm fucking like shaking right now. The best part about this shit right here. Well, look, that downshifting. Well, I gotta change the color. I got red shorts on. Red shorts mean, you know what I'm saying? Red light, you know what I'm saying? Ugh, y'all see that? Ugh. That's a quick little video, man. Damn, this bus all the way over here. Quick little video, man. Don't come out. Don't do it. I should slide on Nate real quick. See what the fuck my boy on. See my boy Nate on, man. Oh, I'm still recording on my phone. I don't need to record you no more. But yeah, man. Quick little POV. No, Alright, man. Let's slide on Nate. See what he on. He might not even be at the crib. Fuck it, I'll slide down there with the Camaro. I know it's supposed to rain though. What the fuck is that? Somebody just, I don't know who this is behind me, but they probably know me. Let's see what the weather gonna be. Cause it's 8 o'clock right now. Damn, it's supposed to rain at 10 o'clock. Fuck. Y'all go see him to come back. nigga seriously not turning? This nigga not turning. Bruh, you could turn. It's tripping. Straight pulls, see if he hit me. Well, that wasn't really pulls, but you know what I'm saying. See my boy on, man, before it get dark outside. I could go this way. Nah, fuck it. Yeah, I need to go lift the windows up a little bit. I need to go, I'm gonna go see what bro on them. I'm probably take my car back to the crib, but I'll probably end the video, but way before that. But I'm gonna see what he on, cause I can't drive this car in the rain. Ain't no more slicks. I can't drive this shit in the rain at all. So let's just see what he on, man. POV video. Y'all like these videos, so I'm gonna keep giving y'all these videos, man. So y'all enjoy the video. I probably won't talk no more after this, but let's just get this money, man. Second gear, yeah. Probably should turn this on a little bit so y'all can just see a little bit more. It's kind of hot out here, I ain't gonna lie to you. Shit. Well, I could have went that way. Mustang like, you know what I'm saying? Mustang like. Turn this way. Hop, brother. Ghost town right now, basically. Oh, y'all know what time it is. Y'all know what time it is. I need some brakes. I'll probably do my brakes this weekend for real. Is that my friend behind me? Might be him. What this nigga want? I don't know, yeah, get wings. Damn, you gonna go this slow? That's low. Come over here. Come here, come here. Yeah, his car here. I know you're here. Yeah. What up, mom, boy? What's good? I was just driving around and I knew that was your car from the lights. I was like, I bet that's him. What's good, brother? Chilling. You almost done? Damn, for real? God, I was about to tell you, what you doing right now? He's tatted right now. What you doing right now? Cam and them, they freaking at Brothers, they got like 25 cents or 50 cent wings right now. You can't? Jeez. Can you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Huh? Yeah, I'm off. We could do something. We probably still be downtown. Alright. You was trying to go? Yeah. They there too. Yeah. Just hit me up. We probably be downtown somewhere. Alright, bet. Well, this is the end of the video. Got my boy in here. You know what I'm saying?
Slicks holding up for you.
Huh?
How are the slicks holding up?
Oh yeah, they nice. Yeah, just not in the rain.
Oh yeah, I assume so.
Yeah, they stick.
I didn't see. I wasn't close enough when I saw you throttle down through the first light, so I didn't see if you lost traction again.
Oh yeah, bro. When I from a dig, they slide a little bit sometimes, but it just depends on like how high the RPMs are. But yeah, this
things are sticking, man.
Yeah, this is the end of the video. Y'all subscribe to the video. ZL1 POV. Catch y'all later, man. Peace. That was a good video.